Welcome to Compare Driving Jobs Presentation Top 7 Search Tips for Finding a Truck Driving Job. We hope you find this presentation of value. Job search tip number 1. Do not make your job decision based on a sign-on bonus. Sign-on bonuses are designed for one purpose: to get a truck driver behind the wheel. Sign-on bonuses are completely unrelated to pay, medical benefits, culture, fleet age, retirement programs, and other far more important job decision influences. Job search tip number 2. Understand which job benefits are most important to you. Before starting a job search, rank your top 5 benefits from most important to least important. This simple task provides a clear focus that will help guide your search towards finding the truck driving job that best meets your individual needs. Job search tip number 3. Include each employer's retirement offering in your analysis. Someday you will retire, and an employer's 401k or ESOP can help fund a comfortable retirement. For example, a driver's contribution of $25 per week to a 401k plan with a 25% company match will generate retirement savings of over $100,000 in 25 years. Retirement funding is an important benefit consideration. Job search tip number 4. Compare average annual wage information, not cents per mile. Mileage rates and target miles do not provide accurate wage information. Customer and dispatch schedules, run types and locations, traffic congestion, breakdowns, detention pay, and bonus programs all influence driver pay. Average annual wage information is a much better indicator of how much you will actually be paid. Job search tip number 5. Dig deep into medical plan benefits. Examine medical plans carefully to see if they meet you and your family's needs. Do they provide spousal coverage? What are the premiums and deductibles? Which medicines are covered? Because of cost and tax considerations, a good medical plan could easily save you the equivalent of being paid an additional 3 cents per mile or more. Job search tip number 6. Be in it for the long haul. Job hopping is costly, while job longevity usually results in annual pay increases, newer equipment, layoff protection, choice of work assignments, advancement opportunities, and fully vested 401ks. To maximize lifetime earnings and work-life enjoyment, conduct a thorough job search, find the best job possible, and stay there. Job search tip number 7. Carefully compare benefits between companies. Comparing company benefits is the most important activity of a job search. Unfortunately, benefit comparison is difficult, as most job sites are simply pages full of trucking company ads, each claiming to offer the best jobs. That is why we developed Compare Driving Jobs. We provide comparable search results without distracting advertising. Sign up today. We hope you enjoyed our presentation, Top 7 Search Tips for Finding a Truck Driver Job. Compare Driving Jobs was designed to help truck drivers and owner-operators make an informed decision about their next job. So sign up for your free account today at www.comparedrivingjobs.com. If you would like to learn more about how Compare Driving Jobs can help you find your next job, stay tuned. A few more slides will follow. All search results are comparable. With Compare Driving Jobs, all you have to do is look down each column to compare benefits between companies. For example purposes, we highlighted the average annual wages column. Look down the column to compare wages offered by different companies. 3 standard comparables are provided with every search. With Compare Driving Jobs, every search result includes average annual wages or truck pay for owner-operators, home time, and fleet types. 3 requested comparables are provided with every search. With Compare Driving Jobs, you request 3 additional comparables to target the job search based on what's important to you. Search results ranked based on driver zip code. With Compare Driving Jobs, search results are ranked by closest location to the driver's zip code. Employers cannot pay for top-up list search rankings or place distracting pop-up ads on our site. Compare Driving Jobs is a true job search tool, not an advertising site. So sign up today. We thank you for your interest in Compare Driving Jobs. We are committed to providing the best job search tool possible for professional truck drivers and owner-operators. To make an informed decision about your next driving job, sign up for your free account today at www.comparedrivingjobs.com.